All right, guys, we got a top dressing job today. A bit of a drive to get there. I think it's like an hour and a half, hour away maybe. As you can see, we got the dump truck hooked up to the trailer with the skid steer on. And then I'm gonna be driving the other truck. We got all the hand tools and stuff in the back. And the top dresser and tractor is actually getting rented this time. So we're gonna be using a different tractor. Sure we got everything. I think we should be all set. All right, so I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, guys, we're here. There's the tractor and spreader. So this is what we got here. Pretty sure it's a 4-yarder spreader. All ready to go. Gonna start loading up and spreading. So one thing about this spreader is it isn't hooked. The electronic isn't hooked up to the tractor where you can remotely turn on the belt. So I'm gonna have to go out there and hit the spinner and the belt lever on it. This is what we're working with here. Pretty big soccer field. All this is getting top dressed. Okay, there we go. All right, that's it. little trouble there, and I don't know yet, but the GoPro turned on some sort of slow-mo, so I don't know if all the other footage is trash or not. But we got it to work. Had to raise the back, so the back end goes up, spreader comes out. I'm only walking alongside it because it's the first time using it. I want to make sure it goes good, but I'll ride on it when we start actually doing loads. You ready for it? Alright guys, I'm just driving down to the other end of the field there where there's a sidewalk that runs down in between those two fields, and I gotta hit that with the backpack blower because we got some dirt on it. So I'm gonna hit that with the backpack blower and then we should be good to go. Okey doke. Gonna go see if he's done cleaning up the rest of the pile, and then we'll load up the skid steer and we'll be out of here.